Game. Oh, gamer game. Oh, gamer game. Oh.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Black. Today I'm gonna show you best gaming launcher for PC gaming. Everyone knows which are the best and which we use for gaming, but I watched a video a few times ago and the guy just said first is Epic Game Launcher, which is the best, and second number Steam Library. Only these two, and he said Epic Game is the best. So I thought lots of people don't know. Maybe they just came into PC gaming just right now, so maybe they don't know which are the best gaming library or launchers. So let me show you first. So these are the 7 gaming launchers. Mostly I use Steam, Origin, and Riot right now. Steam is the first and the best gaming library. Let me first show you all the launchers. First is the Steam, which contains most games out of all the launchers, and comes the right now most famous is Riot client, which contains Valorant and League of Legends. There are also other games, but mostly they are famous for Valorant and League of Legends. Gonna launch new this League of Legends Wild Rift, but most of people use this for Valorant and League of Legends. Then there is Origin. Origin is mainly for Apex, at least I use, and seems it is owned by EA Sports. So Battlefield, EA Play, EA Pass, and that kind of thing. I use mainly for Apex because when I start Apex, it was only available in Origin, not on the Steam. So I just stuck with it. I can transfer it, but then Minecraft launcher, of course, everyone knows file is deleted, so it's like grayish. Rockstar Gaming launcher for GTA 5, I bought it. Then Epic Game for Fortnite. There is also good games and free games, which is World War Z, Metro Exodus. Okay, there are part-1 games mainly for Fortnite. I'm just targeting main games which are very popular and mostly used. Then we have Battle.net for COD, Call of Duty Warzone, and Call of Duty 4, Black Ops 4, which very few people play right now, but and Warzone, which comes with 100 GB of update every time. Okay, let's talk about Steam. I already said it is the biggest library out of all the launchers. It has Steam until 2020. It had 1,263 games, so it is the biggest library for games. It has all kind of games. You can find here top seller games, which is right now obviously Battlefield 2042 and Forza Horizon 5. Pretty expensive, but they are good games. There are free to play games, which are very nice. Early access games, action games, so all kind of games are available by categorized. You can go free to play and indie games to support individual creators. There are a lot of free and good games, which are, let me see, what are they showing free games. Okay, there are also new and trending, top seller, well-being, and upcoming, which are all free to play. You can mess around, explore. These are top seller, which was our CSGO. Everyone knows it. Oldest and best game in the world. I say it, it's the best game. CSGO. Woo! Apex Legends, also a nice game. Battle Royale. Destiny 2, also nice game. War Thunder, also nice game. If you have like VR and controller. Dota 2. They are all free to play games and they are pretty good. And this is my gaming library. Let me quickly show you. Among Us, of course, Apex Legends. I haven't installed it because I already have in the Origin. Exile, also good game. I haven't played it, I just bought it and keep it. This is also good game. Astro Cross for driving. This is an indie game. Bright Memory, good game, good quality, 4K, high-res game. Pretty small game. You will finish in a half or 1 hour, hour or two. Check out my videos if you want. CSGO, how many hours I played? 20. LOL. First person shooter, I started with CS Condition Zero, then CS Source, then there are also, I don't know, third party games, CSGO Extreme, Extreme 1. Then right now is CSGO. They are also gonna launch a new game I heard of, I don't know. Crisis 2, I haven't played it. Destiny 2, good game. Doki Doki, I played it just because it was famous game. I haven't finished it, but it's a good game if you like this kind of game. Story, slow. Doom Eternal, most famous high AAA game. You can try full res, it's so fun. And Zone, I haven't played it. Innovative, decent game, free game. Getting over it, everyone heard of it. I need to try this game. If anyone watching it, I would definitely gonna try it. GTA 5, who don't know this game? Everyone knows. Green Hell, good game, survivable game. Introvert Teenage Simulator, free game plus indie game. League of Maidens, if you like, 18 plus games. Path of Exile, good game. Perfect Town, decent indie game. PUBG, who don't know PUBG? PUBG experimental server, test server, Resident Evil 3. I'm gonna start. I finished half and then just leave it. I don't know. Resident Evil Resistance, Rocket League, free and good game. Someday you'll return. Horror game, decent horror. Subnautica, indie plus survival game, pretty good. Try in VR if you have it. I don't know. I don't have it, but it's pretty good. You will have fun playing it. Another part, Subnautica, Below Zero. Tadpoles, Terraria, everyone knows this game. Rainbow Six, CSGO's little brother. It's a very good game. And then Tomb Raider, you know it. Uno, everyone knows. Beneficium horror game, good game. I think it was free game. I guess it was free game. Yeah, free to play. Good horror game. Visage horror game, a decent. War Thunder, good game if you have controllers to fly plane. It's fun. Warframe, good game. Watch Dogs 2, good game. Good story game. You need to buy, I guess. Yeah, 3,000. The Witchers, good game. It's also, yeah, 80. I think I bought it in discount somewhere. Wolfenstein, free game. I haven't tried it. So yeah, I'll make another video on if you want like a proper list, only story game list or shooting game list. Then maybe I'll make it. If you maybe watch my videos, if you watch this video, please like, share and subscribe for new videos. Yeah, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If I forget something, please comment down below. I'll definitely add it. Oh fucking game, mate. So yeah, see you in the game. Peace out.